Ayan. So, good evening everyone. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Sana po ay nasa mabuting kalagayan po tayong lahat. Okay. So, binidyo ko pa no yung aking panawagan para sa inyong lahat. But anyway, because of my purpose, I actually open up this to Atinais regarding the upcoming meeting this coming 27. Ito po ang aking i-announce sa inyo. Medyo may kaseryosohan lang kaya ko binidyo. I am actually seriously inviting you this coming 27 for our meeting 2 p.m. po, but the venue is still tentative, though I already mentioned the venue of to Atinais, but for me still tentative lang muna. So the purpose of this call is to discuss with you about the serious matter about our for life business. Ano ba talaga ang stand natin dito? Kasi of course when you do business, hindi naman may mga business talagang iba siniseryoso, mayroon namang mga business na ang iba parang parang pastime lang or part-time lang or parang kumbaga ini-enjoy lang. But this call of meeting is talagang we have something to impose. Okay, we have something to impose that will help our organization, your own organization, my own organization, our own organizations actually. Okay, but before that, I would like to ask a favor, okay, sa mga affiliate. When we say meeting, if possible, we come to the meeting as early as possible. Kasi in the first place, kung serious po tayo sa negosyo natin, wag natin pong sayangin din yung piniprepare ng mga katulad namin na we are also giving our own time, not only your time. We're giving our own effort, not only your effort. And not only that, we're spending also to give you a comfort during the meeting, 'di ba? Hindi naman po ako nagrereklamo or what. But of course, at least you know the side of you know our side, na kahit papano you have to understand sometimes na when we call meeting, this is a serious matter. So ang hinihingi ko ring pabor is the moment the schedule is 2 o'clock, ang oras po, sana 1:30 nandun na po tayo. Huwag na po tayong sumipot kung if you cannot do it as early. Kasi if you go there na almost matapos na ang meeting, hindi ko na po talaga alam kung ano yung purpose sa pagpunta ninyo. Kasi you have to remember this, that meetings, especially in the business, is part of the training, okay? Though we usually explain and inform you about the promotions, the challenges, any coming from the company, but this time it's not all about from the company and promotions. This is a topic or a things that we have to seriously apply in our own business, because this kind of approach, this strategical and a systematical way of approach is coming from the very top in the industry here in the Philippines of For Life. Sir Janjan ko is actually inviting us, and of course Sir Janjan ko is our cross line, no, but very kind and generous pagdating sa kanyang mga techniques, okay? So this techniques is very effective, okay, because it was already proven, tested and proven. Lot of his leaders, okay, not only his leaders, down to the leaders of the leaders, okay, they are really having a good income, okay? Ang ganda ng kanilang kinikita. So since then, kami naman ng mga leaders, hindi lang namin gusto na kami yung kumita, syempre lahat tayo kikita. Now, dito po natin malalaman if you are interested to catch your dream. maybe some of you was already encounter or nagkaroon na ng manifestation yung inyong dreams, especially those who are already retired or still in their profession, but then meron nang na-achieve. But kung meron pa kayong gustong ma-achieve pa beyond of those experiences na gusto nyong marating at narating nyo na, then there's still a chance to get those dreams in our life. Syempre lahat tayo may mga dreams, 'di ba? Kayo, ako, may mga dreams, lalo na ako. Ewan ko lang sa inyo diyan, especially yung wala pa din talagang naging change sa buhay or na-experience man lang na nakatikim ng magandang income. And for me, for life is the best and the legit of all legit, and the accurate when it comes to what we call this complan or yung compensation plan. Hindi nyo pa kasi masyadong naintindihan, kaya hindi nyo masyadong nilalagay yung inyong position as an affiliate of For Life na to make it seriously, kasi hindi nyo pa narating kung ano yung nakikita ng iba na nakikita rin namin. Now, this coming 27, if you are interested and if you want to catch your dream to turn into reality, then you have to attend. And pakiusap ko lang po, yun talagang pinakapakiusap ko, wag na po tayong darating na halos matatapos na yung meeting. Okay? Because our meeting is not only to discuss something, there is also an orientation. After that, we will discuss a very important things about our For Life business. Now, aside sa pakiusap ko na maaga tayo magdating, kung alas 2, again, kung alas 2, 1:30 naman po, or 1:45, nandyan na po tayo lahat. Okay? If you mean this business, you really mean this business, then maging lang din tayo, observe tayo sa ating time. Okay? Because if we are getting your time, we are also giving our time to you. Okay? And aside sa yan na pakiusap, if there's a meeting or a training, as much as possible, wala po munang mga kids. Because kids has its own events kung if ever pwede ang kids doon. But when it comes to meeting and trainings, kids talagang 100% are not allowed, because we have to give a responsibility and respect to others, those who are willing to learn and to listen about the information. Okay? And not only that, when you commit, pag nag-commit kayo that you have to attend, see to it that you are responsible enough to attend, to comply. Okay? Kasi in the first place, sabi ko nga sa inyo, let's give and take. You give your time and we will give our time. Okay? Now, here in For Life, actually very simple lang man ang ating negosyo. Kaso lang, mahirap siyang isipin kasi inisip ninyong mahirap ito. That's the term of Sir Jeff. Hindi naman mahirap ang isang bagay, pero pinapahirap ninyo sa pag-iisip ninyo na mahirap siyang gawin. Yes, mahirap siyang gawin, lalo na pag hindi yun yung ating gustong gawin. Because most of us, gustong mabilis ang kitaan, ayaw masyadong mag-exert ng effort. Eh, hindi naman yun gusto ni Lord yung ganyan. Ang gusto ni Lord, pagtrabahuin natin ang ating dapat makuha. 'Di ba? So, sana po wag po kayong tumaas ng kilay or mainis sa akin, ha. Dahil ito naman po ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, kaya nga dinaan ko ito sa video. Kasi gusto ko rin po galing sa loobin ko yung favor na gusto kong mangyari this coming meeting. Because this meeting for me is very important. That for me, it will really help you if you're going to attend. Okay? Now, if you wanted to have a good result in your For Life business, then bigyan nyo ito ng oras. Lahat naman po tayo may 24 hours. Lahat po tayo may kanya-kanyang ginagamitan sa oras. But there are some times, 'di ba? May ibang oras na nagagamit natin into nonsense things. Alam nyo yan at alam ko rin yun sa sarili ko. Especially when we started when we start to scroll our cellphone. Okay? Hindi po natin yan nanonotice na we are consuming already how many minutes. Especially, like for example, ako walang problema sa akin. Kasi, pwede kong makontrol ang time ko. Okay? Pero sometimes hindi ko nga nakokontrol dahil nga wala akong ginagawa. Kaya minsan, yung oras ko, imbis na pupunta sa dapat puntahan or magbibigay ng announcement sa dapat i-announce or mag-disseminate kung ano ang meron nandun sa ating for life na mga information, pero minsan nahuhook ako sa mga world information kasi talagang tinitignan ko kung ano nang nangyayari sa mundo. Okay? Just to be aware. But sometimes, we did not notice already that we are already consumed by this social media approach, 'di ba? So, though our business also is here in a social media kasi we have our online platform here in social media. So, like for example, sa mga empleyado, hindi nyo minsan natitignan na yung pag-scroll natin, we do not know yung pag-scroll natin. Minsan, napapaliban muna natin ang gawain sa office kasi nagnanakaw tayo ng oras to scroll. Yung scroll natin minsan naaabot na ng 10 minutes, tapos mapuputol natin kasi mag-work tayo ulit. Then after that, mag-scroll na naman ulit for another 10 minutes. Baka na naging 15 minutes pa. Okay? Then stop again. Then another 5 minutes. You do not know that you are already consumed the 1 hour, which is 60 minutes. Saka scroll mo, ang dami na palang minuto na naipon natin. Kung ipunin natin yun, umabot na pala siya ng 1 oras o baka 2 oras na supposedly doon yun sa trabaho, or supposedly while you are doing your job, your endeavors in your office, but those scroll sana pwede yung pang-invite na lang sa ating mga prospects. So, ibig sabihin yan, there are also time na we use it in nonsense things, 'di ba? So, I hope you understand what I mean. Kasi kahit sino naman sa atin nag-i-scroll talaga ng ating cellphone at mabilis tayo nagko-comment lalo na pag may magandang gustong i-comment natin at lalo na pag maretesto, 'di ba? So, yun lang. Ang gusto ko lang po talagang hihingiin sa inyo is to attend this coming Sunday. I know mahaba po yung ating medyo mahabang bakasyon because ang narinig ko this coming Friday is another holiday, and then on the 28th is a holiday, baka mag-out of town kayo. I do not know if you can still attend. Kasi itong call na ito is very important for us ni Ate Nice. Kasi, actually, 3 lang ang kailangan natin dito sa negosyong ito. 3 lang. At karamihan sa atin ay engaged na tayo dito sa 3. Because first and foremost, ang hinahanap lang naman natin dito sa For Life na magiging successful tayo are users. Are you user? Of course, you're a user because you're an affiliate and you love to take any bonus products na meron tayo every month, di ba? And then, the second is, are you a seller? Yes, we're a seller. And there's a lot of people there are also a good seller, di ba? Yun lang naman ang kailangan nating hanapin. User or consumer, seller, and a builder. Okay? Yung builder na kung saan looking forward for a high income. Yun lang naman. And that's, kung pagdating sa dreams na ibibigay ng company natin, yes, the company can give everything. Tatapatan niya kung ano yung pagtapat natin sa ating trabaho sa For Life. Okay? Dahil si Sir Janjan ko, 5 cars, ang isa po ay limousine. Okay? And during the pandemic time, alam niyo naman, okay, 7 digits, hindi lang 7 digits, 8 digits nga kasi 18 million year 2021 during the pandemic time pa. At nakabili ng ika-5 car niya na pick up during the pandemic time. Okay? At patapos ng kanyang ika-3rd house na magandang house niya during the pandemic time. So, everything are possible. It's up to us because we are the one who is going to decide for our future. Tama? So, aside from that, ang hinihingi lang ng company sa atin, aside to search those consumer, seller, and builder, is only our time and effort. Kasi, Kung committed ka, ibig sabihin, you are ready to commit your time and effort here in For Life. Pagpatawag nga lang ng meeting, ang hirap ko po namin kayong ano. Sabihin natin, yes, you have your other things to do. Okay? Naintindihan po natin yun. But, you know what? Only the decisions can make you somebody. Okay? Kasi yung decision na maliit lang na bagay, pero pwede yung magbigay ng malaking change sa buhay natin. Okay? So, and unang-una sa lahat, for me, sa akin, I want to do this business, not only for myself. I want to have a monthly bonus product because I love my family. Because the only thing that I can give to my family is the protection and prevention against diseases out there that we are possibly be contaminated. Di natin alam yun kung kailan tayo mako-contaminate, 'di ba? So, that's why talagang I am truly working so hard. Of course, walang magaan na trabaho. Wala po talaga magaan na trabaho. Kung gusto natin magiging successful, so kung may babanjing-banjing natin, talagang banjing-banjing din kitaan. So I myself, hindi ko pa mapapakita sa inyo that I have proved, but I am working for it. Okay? Kasi lahat naman po talaga dinadaan po lahat sa pagtatrabaho. Okay? Kahit nga mga drug pushers, 'di ba? Tinatrabaho nila ang pagpupush, 'di ba? Drug lord, tinatrabaho nila ang paggawa ng paggawa ng mga substance, 'di ba? So lahat po ginagawa na kaakibat po ang trabaho. So, yung sa akin is nananawagan ako sa inyo, if you are interested to catch your dreams to turn into reality, though ang iba dyan, halos na-catch nyo na yung dreams ninyo, you were able to go anywhere in this world, pero yung iba na kahit isang ang man lang, isang step man lang, kahit sa isang step man lang na hindi pa nagawa, dapat tayo mismo yung nagtatrabaho. Okay? Tayo yung mag-struggle lalo kasi tayo yung salat. Mas maganda kasi na kapag sasabay tayo sa may mga okasyon, yung bang ang sarap na hindi ikaw yung nakikisakay, masarap din yung ikaw yung nagpapasakay, or hindi yung ikaw yung tatakbo kapag may kailangan. Mas masarap siguro kapag tayo ang tinatakbuhan and we are open to help kasi we have enough. 'Di ba no? So, yun lang sa akin na this coming Sunday po at 2 p.m. Pag sinabing 2 p.m. start na po tayo, wala pang 2, nandun na po talaga tayo. And please do not bring kids kasi we have to give also a focus and respect the others who is willing to learn, okay? And I'm asking your favor also to have a tinatawag nilang GLLA. Ang ibig sabihin ng GLLA, good learning and listening attitude. Because if we have that kind of personality, hindi po tayo malayo sa success. Kasi kaya nating sumunod, kaya nating makinig, kaya nating matuto, okay? Na lahat na yan, pag ma-impose natin sa sarili natin, magagawa po natin yung mga imposibleng bagay. Okay? God will do the rest, but it depends on our effort, our exertion. So, again, only 3 ang need lang sa negosyong ito. We have to look for a user, we have to look for a seller, and we have to look for a builder. Okay? And only 2 ang part sa atin is only 2 ang i-respond natin sa company. Our time and our effort. Yun lang naman eh. Kasi, if you are committed, you will give a part of your 24 hours to respond on the call. Kaya yun po, sana po wag niyo po sanang mamasamain yung aking kung ano po mang nasabi ko ngayon dahil serious po akong nag-i-invite sa inyo. Dahil sino bang ayaw maging successful? At maganda siguro kung karamihan sa atin ay successful, 'di ba? Alam naman natin, networking is a building of people and this is a business building or a people's business. We have to engage with people. So, doon po, marami po tayong, hindi naman, actually, ang orientation is hindi ganyan kahaba, kung tustuusin. Kahit nga kay Sir Janjan ko, yung orientation niya on the second day, hindi ganyan kahaba, hindi aabot ng isang oras. Meron pa siyang time to add on na to consume the 1 hour. Okay? So, ganun po. And then, other things to discuss na very important. Kung sa palagay ninyo na may nakitaan kayong butas na mayroong liwanag na sa dulo ng liwanag na yun may malaking lugar na liwanag na kung saan nandoon pala yung pag-asa. Kung nakikitaan nyo ang For Life, kung ang For Life ay nakikitaan nyo po ng pag-asa to catch your dreams into reality or to catch your dreams come true. Okay? Attend tayo on Sunday. Okay? Malalaman po namin kung sino po talaga yung seryoso or kung sino po yung magbibigay ng tugon dahil gusto pong makamit pa ang kanyang dreams na maging totoo. Syempre, a-attend po kayo. Pero kung sa palagay ninyo, you can't even give a single time for this business, maybe you are just a consumer or a little a seller. Kasi we can still do the business. You can still engage the business if you think that you cannot organize or build a business organization here in the For Life Philippines. Kasi yun ang pinaka-importante. Kumbaga, we have to have a business organization and that is a builder. Nasa sa inyo yan. Kayo po ang mag-decide. Kung halimbawa, sa palagay ninyo na medyo kaya nyo at medyo interested na kayo na gusto nyo pang matutunan kung anong meron sa i-discuss namin sa linggo, then please do attend. Kasi wala naman pong mawawala. Only 1 hour or more than an hour ang itatackle natin. The rest naman is chikahan na lang man din afterwards, 'di ba? So yun lang ang gusto kong maiparating. Kaya ko ginawa ito sa video call, binidyo ko itong aking call for us to for you to understand the purpose of this call. Kasi ang gusto ko lang naman lahat po tayo maging masagana. Ito lang din po ang warning ko. We do not know the time after this 2023. Okay? We should learn a lot of things when it comes to online system approach. Kasi hindi natin alam, 'di ba? According to Bill Gates, merong another pandemic. We do not know if on the 25th ba talaga o baka mag-advance pa sa 25th. Hindi man natin 'yan hinihingi, pero mabuti na yung prepared tayo because we are already equipped of this system that even na walang lalabas na mga tao but we can still run the business. Okay? This is part of the preparation. Kasi nung pandemic ba, nakaprepared ba mga tao? Maraming nawalan ng trabaho. But the For Life is still matatag dahil mas grabe ang demand ng mga tao. And since this is an online, we have to practice and we have to adapt the kind of system. Okay? So, yun lang po. Mas masarap po talaga kapag tayo po ang nilalapitan at kusang nagsishare kung anong meron tayo sa ating pinaghirapan. Because the more we give, the more we receive. The more you give your time, the more that we will have a big result and have a very strong foundation as a team in this kind of business organization. So, sana po bigyan nyo po ng time, okay? Magsisend po, ang pag-send ko po nito, dyan ko po malalaman kung sinabi ko po sana na, kung sinabi ko man po na mag-comment po, comment lang din po kayo. Huwag nyo lang po sanang isin, kasi po masakit din po sa puso kapag isisin lang yung aming panawagan na if ever na you are not interested, kumbaga, ang iba kasi nagsasabi na, hindi kami interested, bakit kailangan pa mag-response, di ba no? Pero at least yung na lang, yung part of na lang, yung konsuelo na lang po sa amin na nagbibigay kami ng information. Okay? Baka maybe later on, you will realize that all these things that we did to you is now you realize na mahalaga pala yung mga sinasabi din namin. This is all about not only a health of a physical, but of course a health of financial. Kasi pag hindi healthy ang financial natin, syempre nangangailangan tayo, mas maganda po yung nape-prepare natin agad. Mayroon tayong mapaghuhugutan at may pagkukunan. Okay? So, sana po mag-attend po tayo kasi this is for everybody, not only for us. Especially kayo po. Kasi mahalaga po ito sa amin at mahalaga din po kayo sa amin. Do not think na mahalaga kayo sa amin kasi kailangan namin ang production nun. No, hindi po sa ganun. Kasi kung yan ang way of thinking natin, that's the thing that you do not want to attend. Kasi iniisip yung ganung bagay. Here naman is only to help each other kasi ang building po hindi matatayo ng isang foundation lang. Okay? So I hope po bigyan niyo po ng pansin or paunlakan niyo po yung invitasyon namin sa inyo. So the venue will be announced after how many days pa siguro. Pag-uusapan namin ulit ni Ate Nice ang venue. Okay? And I hope to see you soon this 27 2 p.m. Okay? Sana po wag niyong masamain ang aking sinabi. Sana po you will take it as advantage to yourself sa inyong business para kahit papano naman malay natin, hindi natin alam, 'di ba? Kasi suntok sa buwan na kapag pumasok ka sa For Life bukas mayaman ka na. Alam niyo 'yan, 'di ba? So we have to work together as a team. Yun lang po, maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.